I want to do a quick review on this fan. It did come with a screen, but nothing for the back. I thought perhaps from the listing that this was some type of a cover for the back, but it's apparently you remove it and it goes in the front. So I'm a little concerned, and first of all, it will only fit a 4-inch wall, so there's nothing for the back. So as a wall fan, it's not very good. It's also quite loud. If you turn it on, it does move a lot of air. If you set it on low speed, it's still loud, and you can hear sort of a plasticky sound in it. It does allow you to reverse the direction, which is nice. But another sort of annoying aspect of this fan is that when it's powered off, and when the power comes on, it always defaults to being on, regardless of whether it was off or not in the beginning. So whenever the power resumes, it does that in a few seconds. So overall, I was looking for a fan that would be very quiet, that could run all the time. This is not that fan. I'll put a link into this listing that shows another fan that I have previously purchased that is so quiet you can barely hear it, and is I think, the one that I will reorder.
Oh yeah? Guess I wouldn't know. This is my first time in one of these hotels, so...
Can't believe they have hotels this big in the boonies. Man, better than the ones in Seoul. Hey, you know what? And I mean this. Honestly? You're really my type. Nowadays, people catfishing and stuff.
It works really well. I have it in a bathroom. I do have an exhaust fan in my bathroom, but it's not big enough, or I guess powerful enough for my bathroom. We were getting some mold, so we installed this. I just took a long hot shower and my mirrors did not fog up. The window is not fogged up, so it works. It works. It is a little loud, but I would say it's like an exhaust fan. I find it to be loud like an exhaust fan is loud. I don't find it any louder than a normal exhaust fan. I'm very happy with it. This piece did not come with it. I had to buy that separately. So don't consider this frame thing for the window. You only get this portion here, but you get everything that you need to use it and to install it. I did have to buy this separate though, for my window